Hello there everyone and welcome. Today we're doing the second part or the second part of the devlog on project management system. So as you can tell, the project haven't changed a lot from the last time. I haven't added anything, and that's basically the update. See you next time. Of course I'm kidding, you know. Uh, this is the old version of project management system. As you can tell, this was our original roadmap. I'm going to change this eventually because this doesn't represent what we are doing right now. But let me just show you what I have done over the last days. This was the old version of PMS. This is the new version of Project Management System, or PMS Mobile. Alright, so it doesn't look that much difference, but I can assure you it is really different. The first thing you can see is this. These icons are a bit sharp from the last ones. Because these are actually from Font Awesome. So I've changed the images, the very bad looking images, for some good looking icons. So this icon is obviously for settings, where you can change your name and your role in every project. So why do these help? We'll know eventually. Okay, so the first screen that shows up is not this one actually. When you open the application for the first time, it asks you for your name and your role in most of your projects. That's why you see these are filled, you know. And let's say we add a new project. We have a new adding project screen that's probably better than the old one. The old one looks very ugly. Let's say we add a testing project. We put a deadline. So this deadline doesn't affect anything right now, but I'm going to eventually make it do something like maybe a notification 7 days before the deadline or 3 days or something. Let's add this project, and the first thing you're gonna see is the change in the home screen of the project. So there is now a progress bar, which looks very ugly, but I'm going to change that eventually. So in the title bar you have your title of the project. You have a basic settings like the project name and the deadline, and you can delete your project, of course. Next to that you see the progress bar that shows you the progress. So this gets calculated every time you enter your project. Let's say I click on the project, and this gets calculated every time. So the first thing you're gonna see is the collaborators list, which looks very ugly, but the list itself doesn't look that bad. I'm going to change these colors for very gray and the black colors because that's all I like, maybe. Alright, so as you can see, it automatically creates our first collaborator, which is ourselves. So we can edit our role, maybe, and we can add new collaborators. Let's say testing collab and testing role. Right, so now we click save and we have our collaborator. If you want to edit this, we can basically click on edit. Okay, so to edit, as you have seen, you click on the person and these two buttons show up, one for the edit, one to delete. Now to the very exciting part, and the one that I've been working on for the last weeks, the one that has taken me a lot of time. And by the way, the videos about the shop application are coming. I'm still editing them. They are taking so much time, and because I have a very low spec PC, it takes a bit time to get used to waiting 3 hours to render, but they will eventually come out. I have actually privated the first video because it's not I don't do like that much things in that video, so I'm waiting for all the videos to render until then. Just wait. I hope you have some patience. Sorry. Right, so let's check tasks. As you can tell, this is very empty, and this doesn't have the usual button in here. I changed that for that usual to-do list thing with a very interesting Trello style task list. If you click on new list, you have this thing that shows up, and you write the name of the list you want, you click on add, and the list gets added. You can add however or how many, you can add as many lists as you want. Let's add another one, let's call it maybe test. Here it is, so you can have as many lists as you want. The interesting part is, when you click on the title, you get another editing thing. Let's say you want to name it only testing. You rename it and you click on save, and it automatically saves. Let's say you want to delete this list. You click on delete, and it's permanently deleted. Alright, so this is what I've been working on for the last weeks, apart from the videos for the shopping list. I'm sorry, they are taking a very long time, but they will come eventually. And thank you guys for watching and waiting for my videos, I guess. And subscribe for more. See you next time.